date, timing, and how many persons?
The date is August 13 and 7 p.m. in person.
I would like to use your person over there or use your area.
I'm schooling crayons.
One moment, please. I will take the your reservation is confirmed. I repeat the date, sir.
How is that?
Your reservation table on August 13 at 7 p.m. for two persons. You work for a common area. Is that right, sir?